When it comes to time attendance, you have two options to allow your staff to clock in. You can either choose to allow your staff to clock in using their mobile phones by downloading the employee app by SignFlow, or you can place a tablet on site with the SignFlow Kiosk app installed, allowing your staff to clock in on site only. Before you can allow your staff to clock in using a kiosk, we first need to create a kiosk and assign it to a location. To do this, we head over to the Settings tab at the top, click on Companies on the left menu, then select the company we want to add the kiosk to. Hit Edit in the top left corner. Now we click the Kiosks tab, and then hit Add an Item. We're now presented with the screen to set up the kiosk. We start by typing the name of the kiosk. Then we allocate a location to the kiosk, and finally we enter the time zone. After this, hit Save and Close, then hit Save in the top left corner. You've now created your first kiosk. The kiosk name will now show up on the tablet in the SignFlow Kiosk app, and you can find a guide on how to set up a tablet as a kiosk in our time attendance guides on our help page.